Today we're going to be modifying my GT3 rear bumper, and I'm going to be calling it a GT4 rear bumper. What we're going to be doing is a very slight change, but I think it's going to make a pretty big difference. I'm a little nervous because it's not a cheap bumper by any means, and we're going to pretty much be cutting it up. But if you guys are not subscribed already, make sure to smash that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, and let's get into today's video. Here is the bumper, and you can already see we have some marks right there. Pretty much what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting all of this out, cutting this big old square out, and then we're going to be cutting the license plate out, and we're going to be moving that up to here, and then this will all be getting shaved, giving it, I think, a really cool look. The license plate being up high, I think it's going to give it a much better appearance. And then we're going to be moving on to the side, where you can see we already been working some. Pretty much this is all whitened. We have this done on both sides. Still need to sand and do a lot more body working, but nonetheless it's starting to get there. And then we're going to be cutting all this out. This piece right here, we're going to be having just one big opening. I think it's going to give it a little bit of a different look. Nothing drastic, but it's going to make it different from the rest. Alright guys, it's actually a few days later. Took a little bit of time off. I've actually been sick. I'm starting to get a little better now, well enough to at least come out here and work. I did do some stuff off camera. Let me go ahead and show you what we got, but this is pretty much, we're starting to get a real idea of what this is gonna look like. So here it is. We have this all taped in. Everything is ready to be pulled off, and then on the inner side we'll go ahead and do the glassing, but this is all good. We're gonna end up putting, obviously this is loose, but we gotta put the rib nuts there. Have this piece taped in. We got this cut. The piece that was all here, we cut it in half, put it here, and then the other piece will end up going down there. But man, it's looking really cool. All right guys, it's been about an hour or so, and this is how it's looking now. Looks great. we got that all in there. Yes, we just need to clean all this up, but this is all good. Everything is solid. Look at that. It's perfectly smooth. So obviously we're gonna have to grind everything down and start pretty much doing filler work and whatnot there. But nonetheless, I think the one thing is right here. There's about a hole, but we're gonna get that fixed. So now it's onto this piece right here. But first things first, I wanna go ahead and get all this grounded down. I'm gonna go ahead and get these screwed back out, put some riv nuts in there so we get the license plate pretty much back on. And then I need to sand all this smooth, and then we can go ahead and get this piece in. But it's looking really good. I'm very happy. little later in the day now. It is extremely hot here in California, so I called it quits. But we got a lot done today. Check it out. So pretty much we just have, really it's just all touch-up work. Pretty much a little bit in here. You can see those aren't cracks, it's just pieces that I need to sand better, where we need a little bit of filler down. You can see same thing in here. This is actually cracking from the primer because none of this has been sanded, but nonetheless we need a little bit of filler work still for just little spots. This is just like, oh, I love it. This is all perfect. And then as you can tell, we cut about an inch or so out, so we made this a little bit bigger. And I am still going to be doing more. This needs a lot more work still down here. Well, not a lot, but it still does need more work. But it's getting very, very close. Check that out. I am so happy. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave this off right there. I think we got a lot done. I'm trying to get out of that sun. Oh my gosh. We're gonna leave that off right there. We're gonna go ahead and put the license plate back on, back it in, and I think we're done for the weekend. Like I said, it's extremely hot, and there is still a lot more to do. Like I said, it's detail work now from here on out on all of that in the middle. And then these sides, we still have a lot of work to do as well. So for the sake of the video, so I can get this out to you guys, I'm gonna be calling it right here. But that's a lot though. I mean, we completely, look at that, transform that bumper. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I really love it. It's definitely different, and I think it's cool how the diffuser is literally like its own piece now, how it's just all one piece. I love it. Smash that thumbs up if you guys like it as well. Leave some comments down below. I would love to hear them. And then stay tuned, because like I said, we are not done. There is, for the most part, what we are going to be doing more. It's not much, but it's gonna make a bit of a difference. But anyways guys, so that's where I'm gonna go ahead and call it, just so we can get this video out to you. So stay tuned for, I guess, a part 2, which is pretty much just gonna be finishing up the sides. Stay tuned, we'll get more done, and then it really won't be done until a bit later, because I'm still on the fence of what I want to do. There's something I want to do, but I'm not 110% sure if I'm gonna do it yet, or exactly what the design will be. You guys will find out later. Just stay tuned, but subscribe if you're not already. Hit that bell notification so you guys are notified as soon as I drop a video. Oh, one more look. So good, so good. And you can actually see the exhaust right through it too, which is pretty cool. But anyways guys, hope to catch you all in the next one. Until next time, as always, peace out.